This one's from Wildman, so that'll be your hint. See if you can guess what I got. Here's one tube. Here's another tube. To give you an idea, this is another hint. This is a 54 millimeter tube. So if I put that in there, you'll kind of see the difference in diameter between the two. This is Proline 4500. Two Wildman fin jigs for 4 fins. This is probably starting to give it away now. This is definitely going to give it away. If you've been up to recent Wildman news, Aeropack 54 millimeter retainer. What is this? I think it's what is this? Is it a Systems? No, what is this? It's epoxy, but that probably gave it away for most people. Let's see here. Oh, paper. What else is in here? There we go. We got, let's see here, we got, looks like an Av Bay, potentially another one, or a coupler, switch band, nose cone. What else is in here? It's amazing how they pack 2 of these in there. There we go. This one's a lot thicker diameter than the others. That was the diameter I was expecting. These are like thin mill now. And this one, both high flying rockets. These will be, once I get these built, here's some fins. I don't know if where are the fins for the other one? Must be at the bottom here. Let's see if I can turn this up. There we go. There, that probably gave it away. If you know what that fin shape is, then you definitely know what I got. Yeah, so this will be the 2 highest flying rockets I own once I get these built. The Mach 2 and the new 2.6 inch Punisher. So it'll be a fun summer.